Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 6 of the exercise, that is 11.4. So we'll see the first question. Which of the following pairs of angles are alternate interior angles? There are interior and the exterior angles. Interior means the inside ones. So now these figures are given A, B, C, D. So now you can see whenever we have such type of problem, this one, see here, this is the transversal and these are the parallel lines. So one angle is here and the other one is here. So these are the corresponding angles. Now this is the transversal and these are the lines here. One we see, you can see a cross over here. So one is here and the other one is here. So this is angle 1 and 2. So these are the opposite angles. So we can say vertically opposite angles. Now if this is the transversal, one angle is here, the other one is here, but these are the interior angles. So alternate angles means one is on this side of the transversal, this is a transversal, and other is on this side, and they are here. Means this is the interior, and if they were outside here somewhere, means it could have been exterior angle. So this is the alternate interior angles. Now can you see here? This is the transversal, these are the parallel lines. So this angle, this is on one side of the transversal, this is on the other side. So these are outside. So we can say alternate exterior angle. So they have asked the alternate interior angle. So this one. Which of the following pairs of angles are co-interior angles? Means it will be on the same side. Co-interior means alternate means it will be the opposite side of the transversal. Co-interior means it will be on the same side of the transversal. This is a transversal and these are the interior ones. So this and this one, these are the co-interior angles. Now this is the transversal. These are this one. So what we can see, one is on this side and the other one is, means this together, they are should be 180. So these are the linear pair. Now this is here, the other one, there is no here angle, but here one. So these are the corresponding angles. Now this one is here, this is the transversal, the other one is here, these are the alternate interior angles. So they have asked for the co-interior angles. So this one. In the figure, P and Q are any two lines. Which one of the following is correct? So now you can see this. This is the transversal, this is P and this is Q. So here it's given. Sorry for that. So it is given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So it's not the same. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4. This is also not the same. Because here there is one angle and the other one is there. They said which of the following is correct. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3. That is not correct. So now here we can see there is nothing like this. So now we can see here, this is a cross. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4 is correct because these are the vertically opposite angles. In the figure, L is parallel to M and T is a transversal such that the values of 1 and 2 are in the ratio 3:7. Find the measure of all the angles marked from 1 to 8. So here, this is L, here we can say L and M, this L and this is M. So 1 and 2, this 1 and 2, they are in the ratio 3:7. Find the measure of all the angles. So what we can do, angle 1 plus angle 2. Can you see this one? This is a transversal. So you can say this together, that is 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180 degree. Why it is that? Because of the linear pair. So 3:7 means this will be 3x and this is going to be 7x. So that is going to be 180. So that will be 10x is 180 degree. So x is going to be 180 divided by this 10. So that should be 18 degree. So now it will be 3x. So 3x will be 3 into 18, that will be 54. 7x will be 7 into 18, that is going to be 126. So they want the angles. So we can say this 1 and 2, that is 54 and 126. So since if this is 54 means this also should be 54 because they are the vertically opposite angles. Now this is 126 means this also should be 126 because these two are the vertically opposite angles. So now let us see, angle 1 is 54, so angle 2 is this 126. So angle 3 will be angle 1, that is 54, vertically opposite angle. Angle 4 will be equal to angle 2, that is 126, that is vertically opposite angle. So we got 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now let us see for 5, 6, 7, 8. So now what we can see again, now this 3, angle 3 is equal to angle 5 because these are the alternate interior angles. So we can say here angle 3 is equal to angle 5, that is 54 because angle 3 is 54 because they are the alternate interior angles. Again angle 4 is equal to angle 6. Again there are the alternate interior angles. So 4 we got as 126. So that is going to be angle 6. So angle 4 is equal to angle 6. That also is alternate interior angles. Now again we will see for we need for 5 and 7. So now what we can do here, there are two ways. We can do this one. This will be the linear pair. So we can say here angle 5 is equal to, again, or we can also do this one as a vertically opposite angle. Angle 5 is equal to angle 5 is equal to angle 7. So we got this 5s. Here we got this 5s 54. So angle 5 is equal to angle 7, that is 54, vertically opposite angle, and angle 8 is equal to angle 6, that is 126. This is also vertically opposite angle. So we can also do this with the help of the linear pair. This both together they are 180. So the other one is, if we know 6, we can easily find out the angle 5. Anyways you can do it. So we got all the angles from 1 to 8. These are all the angles from 1 to 8. Find the value of x in A to C and both x and y in D to H if P is, this is parallel to, when you have two lines like this means parallel to Q, and C is parallel to D. So now let us see for this A. So now what we can do, we have to find the value of x in A to C, means A, B and C. So now what we can see here, this together, that is what? That is the co-interior angle. So co-interior angles means that is going to be 180. So this together is 180 co-interior angle. So angle x will be 180. This will go on the other side, that is going to be 115 minus that will be 115 degrees. So x is going to be, angle x will be 65 degrees. Now let us go for this figure. Now let us name this figure as this was given. So whatever I have done with these white ones, they have actually, I have just named for. Now look at here. So that easily we can differentiate here which are the angles we are going to talk about. Now see here angle, this is angle, I named this as angle 1. So that is 98. So if we are taking these two together, that is going to be 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is 180. So 98 plus angle 2 is 180. So angle 2 will be 180 minus 98. And this will be 82 degrees. So this angle 2 is going to be 82 degrees. And now you know these both are the alternate interior angle. So if this is 82, this also should be 82. So we want the value of x. So angle 2 is equal to angle 3, that is 82 because I have written alternate, the short form of it because of the short of space interior angles. Interior also int and put a dot, that is the interior angle. So you can write it full. So angle x is equal to 82 degree. Now here this is a transversal, these are the parallel lines. So they have asked the angle x means what you can do first, this one, these both are the co-interior angles, and the co-interior angles always supplementary, that is 180. So we can write here as 5x plus 7x is 180, that is the co-interior angles are supplementary. So when you add this one, 12x will be 180, so x is going to be 180 divided by 12. So 12 ones are 12 15s, so x is 15 degree. So now this we have done for ABC. They just asked us the angle to find out angle x, and from D to the rest one all we are going to find out x and y. So here what we can see here, let's start with this one. So here you can see on this one, this is 65. So this x, so this will be this both together because this will be, if you are considering like this, so this 65, so this also should be 65 because they are the corresponding angles. So x, angle x is going to be 65. Now we can see, now we will go on this one. So this is x and this is y. Again, this is 65, x is 65, so y also should be 65, because again there are the, this will be the transversal and this will be the parallel lines for it. So that is going to be corresponding angles. Now for this one, we can have this here. What we can see, this is 8. Now let us see, this is the transversal and these are the parallel lines. We'll consider this and this one. So this is 85, so this also should be 85. So angle x is 85 because they are the corresponding angles. Now we can do one thing. We can just take 85 and this together. This is the transversal, so this will be the linear pair. So angle 5 plus 85 degree, that is 180 degree. So angle y will be 180 degree. This plus 85 will go on the other side, that will be minus 85. So angle y will be 95 degree. Now we will see for this transversal. So this will be, now you can see this angle and this one. So this y is going to be 110 because they are the, this, it looks like a cross, that will be this angle and this angle. This is going to be vertically opposite angle. So y is also going to be 110. Now we can compare this angle and this one. So we can see these both of them, because this is a transversal. This will be, or we can consider this both. These are the alternate interior angles. X will be 110, or we can do this and this one. We can consider this is going to be the corresponding angle. Both ways we are going to get 110. Now here we can take this both together and they are inside, there are the co-interior angles and they are supplementary, means 180. So x plus 72 is 180 degree. So x will be 180 degree. This will be plus 72. This will be on this side, that will be minus 72. So x will be 108 degree. So now what we can see, this both angles. This is the transversal. So y plus x is 180 degree. So y plus this 108 will be 180. So y will be 180 minus this 108. That is going to be 72 degree. Now we will see for this. So now we can do here. We can see x over here. So now we will consider this one. This is going to be the transversal and this will be the parallel line. So one is here and one is here. So that x is going to be 89 because of the corresponding angles. Now we can put here this angle 1. So what we can do here, this is the transversal and this one means this both together, this is going to be a linear pair. So it's 78 plus we can say angle 1, that is 180 linear pair. So angle 1 is going to be 180 degree minus this 70, that will be 102. Because what happened, we want to find out this y, and y is here outside. So what we can, again we can say, so this angle 1 is going to be angle y. So this we got as 102. So this also should be 102. So angle 1 is equal to angle y is equal to 102 because of the corresponding angles. In the figure, if angle A is equal to 40 degree, C is parallel to BA, and ECD, when we say ECD means this C, this angle. ECD means this one, that is 55. Find angle ACB. ACB means we'll go this way, means this angle, and angle ABC. ABC. So this one B, we have to look at the middle one. So now what we are going to do, angle A is given as 40. So this angle is given as 40. So now let us see what we are going to see here. That is ACE, this middle angle. So that is ACE is nothing but this one, this angle is equal to BAC, this angle. So this will be, this is 40. So this also should be 40 because they are the, now when you see like this. So one is on this one, the side, and this other one is on the, this one. We will see this one. So this was on the other side. The other one is going to be on the other, this side. So this is 40. So this also should be 40 because of the alternate angles. Then what I am going to say, so we got this angle. This one AC is 40 degree. Now we know this is 55, this is 40. So now we can see ACB. We want this angle. So ACB plus angle ACE, this one, this angle plus angle, this one, this together, that is going to be a 180 degree. So that will be a linear pair. So this will be, we know out of that sorry, we don't know ACB, but we know now ACE, this angle we know, that is 40 degree we got here. And this already is given, that is 55. So ACB will be ACB plus this one, when we add 95 degree, that is 180 degree. So ACB is going to be 180 degree plus 95, that is going to be minus 95 because it changes the side. So ACB is 85. So now we got ACB also. So this angle also we got it. And they have asked for ACB. Now what is left is ABC. This angle is left. So that's very easy to find out. So now we can say angle ABC plus angle BAC means this one, plus angle ACB, this angle, that is going to be 180 degree because sum of all angles in it angle are 180. So ABC we don't know, but we know BAC, that is 40 degree, and ACB is 85. So that will be 180 degrees. So angle ABC plus this one, when you add, that will be 125 is 180. So angle ABC is 180 plus 125, that will be minus 125, and angle ABC, that is 55 degree. In the given figure, check whether P is parallel to Q. This is parallel to Q. So now what you can see here, now this you can see, this is 120 and this is 60, and this, now this is going to be the transversal, and whether these two lines are parallel. So it doesn't satisfy. So this is 120 and this is going to be 61. So it doesn't satisfy any of the criteria. So we can say no, it's not parallel. So again here we can see this P is parallel to Q. So now you can see here, this is 127 and this is 53. So that comes to P. So now this is 150, this is 53. So this is going to be 127. So when you see here, this is the linear pair. So this will be here, this angle, because the linear pair means 127, because 180 minus 53, because linear pair means 53 plus something, that is this angle, that is, we can consider angle 1 is going to be 180. So angle 1 is going to be 180 minus 53. It goes on the other side, that is going to be 127, and this is 127, and this also should be 127 because they are the alternate interior angles. So this we can say these are the parallel lines. So we can say yes. Now for this one, we can do one thing. So this is, we can consider this P and Q. This is a transversal. So now this is 99. So if this is a transversal, if this together, that is going to be 180. So this is going to be 81 degree. So 99 plus 81. So this is going to be 180. This will be 81. So this is 81 and this also will be 81, means this will be the corresponding angles. So this is going to satisfy. So we can say that is yes. Now in this one, now what we can do here, these are the, this is, now you can see these are the parallel lines and this is the transversal. So this is 34. You can see a cross over here, means these are the vertically opposite. 34 means this also should be 34. So now this together, so they are the co-interior angles. 34 plus 146, that is going to be 180. So it satisfies. So in the given figure, if AB is parallel to CD, this AB is parallel to CD, find angles. We have to find this X and this Y. So we have, what we have to do, directly we cannot find out. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a line over here. This is the white one, that is, we can name it anything, O and N. So what we can do is say this ON is parallel to this AB. So now we can consider, so like this one, AON. So this angle AON, this we can consider as angle 1. and angle we can say CON. CON means this angle we can consider as angle 2. So now what we can do, angle 1 plus here what is given now, we will see for this both first, angle 1 and 109. So they are the actually co-interior angles because we are going to consider this one. So these both are the co-interior angles. So we can say angle 1 plus this 109, that is 180 because they are correlated. So angle 1 is going to be 180 plus 109 will go on the other side, that will be 1 minus 109. So angle 1 is going to be 71 degree. So now again what we can see, angle 2 plus this 115, they are again co-interior angles. We can write here, you can write here co-interior angles. Let me write it here. These again are co-interior angles. So now what we can do, so angle 2 plus 115, that is 180 degrees. So angle will be 180 degree. This plus will go on the other side, that is going to be minus 115 degrees. So angle 2 is going to be, this angle 2 is going to be 65 degree. So we can say angle x, this angle x. So which is the angle x? So this angle. This angle means this is actually this whole thing. So this is going to be angle 1 plus this angle 2. So hope you got this one. This x is for both of them. So this we are going to add this both angles, angle 1 plus angle 2, and we already got this angle 1 and angle 2. So we can say angle 1 plus angle 2. So that is going to be 71 plus 65. So angle x is going to be 136 degree. So now what we can see, angle y is outside here. So this whole, this one, that is going to be 360. So angle y is here. So what are you going to do? You know that is from 360, we are going to subtract this 136. So for this one, we want this angle. So so from 360, we are going to subtract this angle x. So that is going to be minus 136, or we can write here angle y is equal to 360 degree minus x, angle x, that will be 136. So angle y will be 224. In the given figure, L is parallel to M and P is parallel to Q. Find the value of angle X, angle Y, angle W, and angle U, and angle Z. So these are these all angles we have to find out. So now let us go one by one. What we can do, we can go for this one because we have here 105. So 105 plus x. So these are the co-interior angles. This is 180. So angle x is going to be 180 minus this 105. So angle x will be 75. So angle x, again what we can see, angle x will be angle y because this, when we see this one, so they are the corresponding angles. So angle x will be angle y. So that is because this is 75 angle x. So this y is also going to be 75 degree. Again what we can see, angle y is equal to angle u. Again now you will see at this point angle y is equal to angle u. They are again the corresponding angle. So y we got is 75. So here also that is going to be 75. That will be corresponding angles. Now angle y plus angle z. Now this together, angle y plus angle z, so that will be 180 degree. So that is again linear pair. So 75 degree plus angle z is 180 degree. To angle z will be 180 degree minus this one 75 degree. So angle z is going to be 105 degree. And again we can say angle y is equal to angle w. Angle y is equal to angle w. This together. So that is going to be 75 degree because they are the vertically opposite angles. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.